you've had that since
I
you
would
was
like to
just a
lunch.
little car. I'm
Welcome
gonna
to
do
my
something
life.
very special for you.
This is
Are
my
you going to
heart.
get it back for me, Major? You're the best friend ever. Well, I'm not gonna exactly get it back. I'm gonna send somebody else.
Hulk
This is my
smash!
heart.
Hulk is here to retrieve your mini car, McQueen. When somebody
No, this is
steals,
what
it
it
makes
looks like.
Hulk angry.
Now let
So
me tell
angry,
you,
I
let's
could smash
go
something.
to
What can I smash?
Hulk, don't smash
No.
Radiator Springs. After all, you'll get to smash and bash whoever took my mini car McQueen.
Let's
That's
go
a
to
good
the
idea,
stuff
Lightning McQueen.
I've been
I'll
talking
be
about.
right back.
Let's
I'm
go
going
to
to
the
get your
loaded
mini car
screen of
McQueen
Roblox.
and smash and bash. Hurrah.
Woo-wee! I'm sure glad we're friends.
And we're
I
down.
ask you to bring me Lightning McQueen, and you bring me a mini? How dare you? This is nothing close to what I asked for.
Well, it looks like him, but just smaller.
I know, but I wanted the real Lightning McQueen, so I could extract information from him about Radiator Springs.
Ah,
It looks
YouTube is playing. Ah, dang it. Sorry guys. I'm too used to this YouTube. I'm too young to be doing YouTube, but I do it anyways. Just for the LOLs. Xanos is coming up. I shall snap my fingers and I shall snap my fingers and the whole world shall blow up. Dead. Dead. Not the biggest surprise. That's the meme we won't talk about memes. Not the big surprise. Dead. Not the big surprise. Dead. Not the big surprise. Oh my. I've been through many things. That old voice is making my throat hurt. Doesn't matter. I've been at the screen for the past. It's been trying to flip an update. Let's restart the video if you want to see the I'm back video. You can join, but I'll be bringing a new series. Let me give you hints. If you want to know, stay for the video. If you don't, leave. The first one is the super duper plushie series, the Super Toys Fun series, where every toy has a fighter brawl all for themselves. Let me show you one clip. Action! And why is the thing so small? I don't even know. I should have probably changed it. Action! Okay, so I'm not gonna disappear off screen because I want to stay here. Let me just show you the. Dang it, it fell. Let me get the clip ready. Oh my goodness, I escaped them. They took all my materials, everything I had. Now what do? Octi? You old whippersnapper! Get off my lawn! Octi, wait. I haven't seen you in such time. Dave! I'm sorry, but I lost it. I am now older. Well, I'm still the same age. It's just I talk like an old person now. No, Octi, please. I'm sorry. No, Octi! I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get them. Fire! Dun, 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 dun. I'm gonna bell attack him so hard he's gonna never see the light of day. Oh! And let's see, who was the person that attacked him? goodness. It's one. The only Bobby Fatman. Bobby Fatman. The penguin. That's what I named him. Oops, I'm rolling across the floor again. Where's that other guy? I'm gonna roll all over him. Ah, there you are. I'm gonna roll on you. No, you don't. Oh, Roblox is finally working again. Oh no! You don't know what you did. And out the shadow. And out from the guts because he wasn't even a real penguin. Thanos. Dun, dun, dun. I have all the Infinity Stones. Now I shall win the wars. The Plush Wars. And that's a hint to one of the... God damn it. Don't mind that, I'm just getting a little tough and angry. Now I'll show you another new series. It's all about my old abandoned plushies. Well, not abandoned. Just my old toys that I haven't played with in such a while. And action! I said action! Goodness. I have to do everything myself. I guess it's my thing. So I frog at me. And if you do wonder, I am in clothes. I'm in my white shorts again. But if you want, I can change. You know what, I'm just gonna stop because if Chris watches this video, well, somebody I know named Chris, he's probably gonna question, when are you gonna bring those white pants, blah, 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 something about that. And so I'm gonna get out of them, so he doesn't notice. So I threw my white pants. Since the laundry hamper has gone missing, I just threw them on the floor. My mom will soon pick them up and wash them. But I changed into dark woolly pants, which is super sweaty. See these bad boys? They're even better than those white pants. Nobody ever notices one thing about them. The stripes. Now I'm gonna go back into a game. Blah 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 blah. Now back to the new series. Let me bring you the next new series called One Time in Brickland. Action! Batman, you'll never be able to destroy me. Thanos, I'm not too sure about that. I can destroy you easily. Oh yeah! Oh no, I summoned a new portal. Are you taking that? What a beautiful. Get rid of those guys. What a beautiful day in the world of life. Ah, what in the world? Ah, ah, where's my owner? You're under arrest, Anna. What? How do you know me? We sent you to the... Wait a minute. Batman? How did he get here? I sent him to this dimension. And I shall get away with it. Batman, we gotta chase after him. Sorry, but he's too powerful for me. I'm gonna go get the Justice League. What? And for that story, the series, that series is just... Now there's one more series. One that you've all been waiting for. Showed a clip. Well, not a clip. Computer, how long is it until we reach land? Do you want to go hyperspeed? Sure, whatever. Is this a jet? Is this a storm fighter? Storm? I don't know. It's because I haven't watched Star Wars in a little bit. I've been watching YouTube instead. And also, Xanos, I love you. Don't question my love for the brickhead Xanos. It's just I love the Infinity Gauntlet. I wish I could wear one right now and go, I shall take over the world with a snap of my fingers, blah. Well, he doesn't really take over the world. He doesn't do anything, actually. Because I would be giving spoilers. I'm sorry. Just, I might have to try to cut that, but doesn't matter. Let's start the next series. No, not Hyperflow! Ever since the mixed dimensions. Where are we going? Meanwhile. So, you said, something about if I joined the army, I could, get the free, stuff. Nice stuff? Yes, sir. You can stop Xanos as well. But did Batman already stop him? No, he didn't. Isn't that another series? Oh yeah, I forgot. Maybe this series involves this thing? Maybe we should see inside. Kanan! To be continued. And that, my bolters, is the preview of all the stuff. Dang it, buddy, you fell out of the ship again. Is it a Stormfighter? Is my question. I haven't seen Star Wars in just a little bit. Come here, my Xanos. I've always wondered, what does it feel like to be the child of Xanos? What is Xanos had a child? Oh, Illuminati. Yeah. Now come to me. Yes, my beauty. So you might not see me in the episodes. I might just have an arm sticking out. But some of the intense series like this might have a whole human. But the human will be the background. Like destroying everything. So I'll rip out my blankies. As I already done for some strange reason, and when I go to sleep I rip up my blankies. I don't know how. But I basically ripped them all to bits and pieces. Well, not bits and pieces, more ripped them right off the covers. Well, right off the bed mat. Pretty not impressive. Also found an ancient relic. I have it in my hand, but I won't show it. I also have this thing. Now prepare. Dare to compare. I dare to compare that you like moldy cheese. No, just kidding. I dare to compare you don't like anything. Now meet Mr. Bunny. He has a lot of stuff in his tummy because he's been eating a lot of stuff. This is why we have to clean him out, just like we clean out our other pets. Deciding from the dog, we have right here. And well, it's heading to the end, so I think that's just about like it. I'm gonna do 3 videos because I haven't done that many. So I think that's right about it. So bolters, make sure to subscribe, like, and no, let me say, make sure to comment. No, make sure to comment, like, make sure to rocket smash that like button. Well, not rocket slash. Make sure to rocket smash that like button so I can get over 100 likes. Or just 10. I would rather just be over 10.